Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss about exercise 3.3. Some questions are left. Yesterday we already discussed about some questions of division method of square root. Today we start question number 9. Okay, question number 1 to 5, 6 we already discussed, and other questions also of the same type. Today we can discuss about question number 9. This is the different type. Find the least number to be added to the following number to make a perfect square. What least number to be added in this number so that the resulting number is a perfect square? Students, in exercise 3.2 we discussed about some number multiplication or division, but in this exercise we find least number added and least number subtracted. Okay, of this type. First I will take easy example. After that we will solve this question. First I will take easy example. Let we have a number 14. We have a number 14. What find the least number to be added to 14 so that the resulting number is a perfect square. Students, first we find a square root of this. Square root of this we make a pair. 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9. Okay, if we take this and 3, if we take a number 3 and take square of 3, this equal to 9. Okay, and if we take a number greater than this, greater than 3, then 4, 1 and greater than 3, that is 4. If we take square of 4, that is 16. Students, 9 is less than 14 and 16 is greater than 14. Then 14 lie between 9 and 16. 9 is the square of 3 and 14 is the square of 4, and 16 is the square of 4 and 14 greater than square of 3 and less than square of 4. So we take, if we add it then we find next number, if we subtract then we find a least number. Okay, then square of 4 that is 16. If we take 16 and subtract 14 from them, that is 2. Okay, if we take a number 2 and add 2 in 14, then this equal to 16 and 16 is the perfect square. Okay, so the least number is 2. So that if we add 2 in 14, that is 16 and 16 is the perfect square. Okay, now I will take these questions. Same type. 4237. First we find the square root of this. Then complete pair. Okay. 6 6 are 36. 7 7 are 49. 49 is greater, so we take 6 6 are 36. Okay. Then 6. Again we take complete pair 3 7. Okay. And there is double of this, that is 12. Next we check 5. 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 to 10, 2, 12, 1, 5, 1 and 6. 6 25, next we take 5, there is also 5 and this is 625. Okay, then there is some number 7 minus 5, 2, 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, we take this quotient. Okay, 65, square of 65, square of 65 less than this square of 65 less than this number 4237, and next we take greater, one greater of 65, that is 66 and less than 66 स्क्वायर. बच्चे ये हमेशा इस नंबर के स्क्वायर से ग्रेटर होगा और इसके एक नंबर ज्यादा के स्क्वायर से हमेशा लेस होगा. ओके, देन वी फाइंड 65 स्क्वायर. 65 multiply 65. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 2, 6 5s are 30, 32. Next 6 5s are 30, 0, 6 6 are 36 and 39. That is 5, 2, 9 to 12, 1, 4. That is 4, 2, 2, 5. Okay, 4225. If we subtract 12 from this number, then that is equal to 4225. Okay. If we find simple subtracting number, that is same as it is. But if we find adding number, then we follow this method. That is, and this is less than 4, 2, 3, and 7. Next we take square of 66. Square of 66. 6 6 are 36, 3, 6 6 are 36, 3 39, same 6 9 3, then 6 5 and 1, 9 1 10 and 3 13 1. That is 4 3 5 6. Okay. 4237 is greater than this number and less than this number. This is not perfect square. This is perfect square and this is a perfect square. This is perfect square of 65. This is perfect square of 66. हमें इस नंबर में क्या ऐड करें ताकि रिजल्टिंग नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बने? तो इस ये तो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है, इससे जस्ट ग्रेटर 65 इज जस्ट लेस 65 and just greater 66. So we take this number. First we take 4 3 5 6 and subtract this number 4 2 3 7. Okay, that is 16 minus 7 9, then 4 minus 3 1 and 3 minus 2 1 0. If we add 119 to this number, then the resulting number is perfect square. Okay, if we add 119 to this number, then this equal to this number and this is the perfect square. Okay student, if you find any least number so that the resulting number perfect square, then you follow on this method. Okay, and next question number 10, the same type, and in these questions which a least number must be subtracting so that the resulting number perfect square. So we apply same method, but we take in a subtracting, and in this question there is an addition. Then first we take 593 square root of 593. This complete and we make this complete. Okay, this is 5 and 2 2 ja 4, then 193. Again double of this 4. If we take 4 3 3 is 9, 4 3. Again we take 4 4 4 ja 16, 1 4 4 ja 16 and 17. If we take 5 5 5 25 2 5 4 20 and 2 25. This is greater than 193. So we take 4 4 4 and 170 and 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. 8 minus 7 1 and 6. Okay students, if we take square of this, if we take square of this 24 square is less than 593 and 25 square is greater than 593. But in this question we find this number must be subtracting. Okay, so we take square of this 24 square 576 and we subtract this from this number 593. 13 minus 6, that is 7. 8 minus 7 1. We subtract 17. We subtract that least number is 17. We subtract 17 from this number, so that resulting number is 576 and that is perfect square of 20. Okay, I hope you understand this method. Next I will take next question. The next question, question number 11. Student, these questions we already discussed in a first video. Okay, for 11, square of each of the following number will have 1 at their unit place. इन नंबर्स के स्क्वायर में 1 उनके यूनिट प्लेस पे आएगा. Students, if any number end with 1 and 9, any number end with 1 and 9, that means unit place of any number 1 and 9, then square of that number unit place also 1. Okay, if any number end with 1 and 9, देन उन नंबर्स के स्क्वायर का यूनिट प्लेस क्या होगा हमेशा 1. सो दिस नंबर एंड विद 7. सो square, if we find the square of this, then unit place is not equal to 1 of square of 47. Next, unit place is 1, so 1 at their unit place. Yes, this number end with 9, that means unit place 9, so this is also square of this also 1. Next, this end with 4, then unit place is not equal to 1 of this square. Next, which of the following number will not have 1 at the unit place? Square of this number end with 2, so square of this unit place of this square not equal to 1. And in this question, which of the following number will not have? So we take this number and this end with 7, then unit place not equal to 1, so we take also this number, unit place of this 9, and the unit place of this square also 1, but we take not have 1, so we don't take this number, and this number end with 1, so square of 121, unit place of square of 121 also 1, so we also don't take this number. Okay. Question number 13. Square of which of the following number will have 6 at their unit place? Students, 6 at their unit place. Any number and with 4 and 6. Any number and with 4 and 6. And if we find the square of this number, then unit place of square of this type number equal to 6. So this number end with 5, then unit place, if we find the square of 45, then unit place is not equal to 6. This number end with 3, so if we find the square of 33, then unit place is not equal to 6. This number end with 4, unit place is 4, then this, if we find the square of 84, then this number end with 6. Okay, we take this number, and this also end with 8, so we don't take this. Okay, next we take next questions. Then question number 14, student, in question number 13 we find the number not 6 at the unit place, but we find in this question number 13 6 at the unit place. I hope you understand. In question number 14, which of the following number will have 6 at their unit place? But in 13, 6 not their unit place. Okay. Question number 14, which of the following number will have 6 at their unit place? Any number end with 4 and 6, then if we find the square of that number, then unit place is 6. So this number end with 6, we take this number end with 9, we don't take this number, this end with 4, we take this number, and this end with 8, then we don't take this number. Okay. Next is question number 15. How many zeros will each square have if a number end with? If a number end 2 zeros, if a number end with 2 zeros, then we find the square of this type of number, then total number of zeros is 4. Okay. If a number end with 3 zeros, then square of that number 6 zeros. Okay, 6 zeros. If a number end with 5 0, then if we find the square, then double of this 10 0. If a number end with 6 0, then square of if we find the square of that number, then total है zeros 12. Okay. Next is question number 16. Is it possible for the square of a number to end with 3 zeros? Students, this is not possible. If a number end with odd number of zeros, then that number is not perfect square. And this question, is it possible for the square of a number to end with? No. And if a number end with an odd number of zeros, then that is not a perfect square. There is an odd number of zeros. There is also odd number of zeros. Okay. Next, question number 17. If the square of a number ends with 8 zeros, how many zeros will there in number have. Okay, if in square 8 zeros, then number have this is 2 time of zeros of the number, then number have 4 zeros. If number have 4 zeros, then square have 8 zeros. Okay, I hope you understand this exercise. Students, you complete this exercise in your notebook. I hope you like this video.